Are your Sony WF earbuds constantly disconnecting? It's a common frustration, especially with models like the WF-1000 XM5, XM4, and XM3. The main culprit is Bluetooth instability, often triggered by interference, outdated firmware, or conflicts when paired with multiple devices. We'll break down the causes and, more importantly, how to fix them. Don't worry, many solutions are simple and can be done at home. Start by understanding that Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz band, which can be crowded. Bluetooth uses radio waves to connect devices. These invisible waves travel through the air, carrying your audio data from your phone to your earbuds. However, these radio waves can be disrupted by interference. A common source is your Wi-Fi router, which also operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band, the same band Bluetooth uses. Other devices like microwaves also generate interference on the 2.4 GHz band when in use. Multiple Bluetooth devices in the same area compete for the same frequency, increasing the likelihood of signal conflicts. When interference occurs, data packets can be lost or corrupted, causing your earbuds to disconnect. Even physical barriers like walls can weaken Bluetooth signals by absorbing or reflecting the radio waves. To minimize interference, try moving away from potential sources like routers or microwaves. You can also switch your Wi-Fi network to the 5 GHz band on both your phone and router, which doesn't conflict with Bluetooth. Outdated firmware on your earbuds or your smartphone's operating system can cause compatibility issues that lead to disconnections. Sony regularly releases firmware updates to address bugs and improve Bluetooth performance. Use the Sony Headphones Connect app to check for and install the latest firmware for your earbuds. Similarly, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. These updates often include Bluetooth stack improvements that enhance stability. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these simple fixes. First, reset your Sony WF earbuds. This usually involves holding buttons on both earbuds for about 7 seconds until you see a flashing light. Consult your manual for the precise procedure. Then, forget the earbuds in your phone's Bluetooth settings and repair them. Toggling Bluetooth off and on, or briefly enabling airplane mode, can also help reset the connection. These actions can resolve temporary glitches. Sony Headphones Connect app is your best friend for troubleshooting. It allows you to manage device connections and diagnose issues. The app provides a central hub for managing your Sony WF earbuds. Use the app to manage device connections. You can connect, disconnect, and easily switch between paired devices. The app includes codec selection, allowing you to specify which audio codecs are being used for output. Use the app to monitor connection stability. It tracks signal strength and connection quality in real time. The app allows you to perform resets and firmware updates directly from your device. The app logs connection stability data and provides suggestions for resets, making troubleshooting simpler. In the device connection settings, remove unused devices that may be interfering with the current connection. Sometimes the issue isn't software but hardware. Disconnection problems can stem from charging or battery issues in your Sony WF earbuds. First, ensure your earbuds are properly charged. A low battery can cause unexpected disconnections during use. Dirty charging contacts can interrupt the power supply, mimicking disconnections. When contacts are dirty, the electrical connection becomes unreliable. Clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the charging case with a dry cloth. Gently wipe away any dust or debris. A failing battery can also cause intermittent disconnection issues. As batteries age, they lose capacity and may not hold a charge properly. If your earbuds are old and the battery life has significantly degraded, it might be time for a replacement or repair. Consider professional service if the battery issues persist. Sony WF earbuds support pairing with multiple devices simultaneously, allowing you to switch between your phone, laptop, and other gadgets seamlessly. However, they can only maintain one active connection at a time. When paired with multiple devices, only one device can stream audio while the others wait in standby. Constantly switching between devices can cause confusion in the earbud's Bluetooth system. This leads to dropped connections as the earbuds struggle to prioritize which device to connect to. To fix this, try disabling multi-device pairing in your device's Bluetooth settings. This prevents the earbuds from trying to maintain multiple connections. Alternatively, manually disconnect the earbuds from devices you're not actively using. This streamlines the connections and reduces confusion. By streamlining your connections, you'll experience fewer disconnections and more reliable audio performance from your Sony WF earbuds. Looking ahead, the future of Bluetooth connectivity is promising. New standards and technologies are being developed to address disconnection issues permanently. The Bluetooth LE audio standard is a game changer. It uses advanced protocols to minimize interference from Wi-Fi and other devices while using less battery power for longer listening sessions. Industry projections show this new standard could reduce disconnection issues by up to 95% in the coming years. Sony is developing AI-powered diagnostics in their Headphones Connect app. This technology will analyze your usage patterns to predict potential disconnection risks and suggest fixes proactively. Some experts predict hybrid modes in future Sony WF models, allowing you to switch between Bluetooth wireless and wired connections. This eliminates Bluetooth dependency entirely for critical situations. While these future technologies develop, practice preventative maintenance. Stay updated with firmware releases, perform monthly resets to clear any glitches, and keep charging contacts clean to ensure reliable power delivery. These future trends and solutions will make Bluetooth connectivity more robust and dependable. Your Sony WF earbuds are evolving, and staying informed will help you get the most out of them.